Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best leather paint is probably one of the most effective ways to breathe new life into your worn leather furniture. Whether it's a cherished sofa, a vintage armchair, or a well-loved ottoman, leather paint offers a cost-effective and transformative solution. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of leather paint, exploring its benefits, application techniques, and what to consider when choosing the perfect product for your needs. Number 5. Angelus Flat Black Acrylic Leather Paint. Introducing Angelus Flat Black Acrylic Leather Paint. It's perfect for a wide range of leather goods. This paint is designed to provide excellent coverage and lasting results. This paint dries quickly and remains flexible, preventing cracks or peels. Years of testing ensure its top-notch quality. It's made in the USA since 1907. The water-based formula is non-hazardous and cleans up easily with soap and water. There are no nasty smells, making it ideal for various projects. This flat black paint works on any leather surface. Use it to customize, color, or hide scuffs on shoes, furniture, and more. With nearly 200 colors and additives, the possibilities are endless. For over a century, we've been manufacturing in America. Our commitment to quality and customer service keeps us going. We are not happy until you are. What we like? This paint is versatile, working on everything from shoes to furniture. It dries quickly and won't crack or peel. If you are looking for a reliable, easy-to-use paint for various leather items, you should consider this. What people say. Matches perfectly and it's very durable. Does a great job and holds up very well. Product work perfect. Saved my old recliner from looking terrible, very easy to apply with a foam brush. Number 4. Furniture Clinic Dark Brown Leather Recoloring Balm. Is your leather looking worn? This balm is designed to restore scratches and revitalize faded hues. It provides a vibrant finish and protects your leather from future damage. This leather repair solution is perfect for couches and furniture. It removes wear, stains, and fading, restoring the natural tones. It also helps prevent cracking and peeling. Revive your leather furniture with this easy-to-use recoloring balm. It restores color, repairs scratches, and protects from sun damage. It ensures a polished, durable finish. This product has earned the Good Housekeeping seal. It was rigorously tested by experts for effectiveness and quality. You can trust it to deliver the results you need. We are here to help you. Our team is available to answer any questions you may have. We want to ensure you get the best results from this leather care product. What we like? This balm is designed to restore and protect your leather furniture. It repairs scratches and revitalizes faded hues. If you have furniture that needs a refresh and protection, you should consider this. What people say. Following the instructions, I cleaned the leather with the Furniture Clinic cleaner, then followed with the Furniture Clinic conditioner. I used the cleaner on the soiled areas, the armrests and the cushions, but cautioned the entire seating area. I started on the armrests, cushions and attached back pillows. I honestly couldn't believe how it worked. The areas that had the worst wear and damage sucked up the product. This didn't scare me as I really didn't have anything to lose if it ended up looking like crap, lol. I used about a half of a jar on the love seat, so if applied with fingers, it will go a long way. Number 3. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint, 2-in-1 Kit. Is your leather looking worn or damaged? This kit is designed to bring it back to life. It's a simple solution for scratches, tears, and color loss. Choose from 16 different colors to match your leather perfectly. You can restore faded areas, recolor worn spots, or even completely change the color of your items. The paint penetrates the leather fibers for complete coverage. It dries flexibly and helps prevent future damage and discoloration, keeping your leather looking its best. Apply it with a brush, sponge, or spray. It dries quickly, but allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before use. This makes the repair process quick and easy. This kit combines color and finish in one. It seals itself as it dries, eliminating the need for a separate top coat. This simplifies the repair process. Use the paint on sofas, car seats, clothing, and more. It's perfect for repairing scuffs, scratches, and color loss on any leather item. It's a versatile solution for all your leather repair needs. What we like? This product combines color and sealing in one step, simplifying the process. It offers a wide range of colors to match your needs. If you like a simple and effective solution for leather repair, you should consider this. What people say. It covered it and was so easy to use. Application is super easy. Covered cat scratches and crease marks on the seat cushion. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint, Quick Repair Kit. Introducing a quick and easy solution for your leather repair needs. This product is designed to restore faded leather and recolor worn surfaces. It's a simple way to bring your leather items back to life. With 16 different colors available, you can find the perfect match for your leather. Whether you want to restore the original color or completely change it, this product has you covered. The paint dries flexibly and prevents future damage. It penetrates the leather fibers, providing full coverage without changing the original texture. This helps protect your leather from future discoloration. Applying the paint is simple. Use a brush, sponge, or spray. It dries quickly, and you can use the item again after 24 hours. It's designed for ease of use. This product is a 2-in-1 solution, acting as both a color restorer and a sealant. It seals itself when drying, eliminating the need for a separate finish coat. This makes the process even more convenient. It can repair scuffs, scratches, and color loss on all types of leather. Use it on your sofas, car seats, clothing, handbags, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your leather repair needs. What we like. This product combines color and sealing in one step, simplifying the process. It offers a wide range of colors to match your needs. If you like a simple and effective solution for leather repair, you should consider this. What people say. It covered it and was so easy to use. Application is super easy. Transformed my leather chair to look new again. Covered cat scratches and crease marks on the seat cushion. Number 1. STARTSO World Leather Recoloring Balm. Is your leather furniture looking old and faded? This leather recoloring balm from STARTSO World can help. It breathes new life into your old leather, giving it a refreshed and vibrant look. This leather repair kit effectively restores the color of your leather items. It penetrates deep into the leather fibers, reviving its original hue and texture, ensuring a vibrant and stain-resistant finish. Once applied, it dries quickly, either naturally or with a hairdryer. The coloring effect is long-lasting and won't fade easily. It also protects the leather from future damage. This kit can be used on various leather and vinyl items. From sofas and furniture to car upholstery and accessories, it's the perfect choice for all your leather restoration needs. We prioritize product quality and safety. This leather balm is harmless to leather, giving you peace of mind. Contact us if you have any issues. We are committed to making your shopping experience perfect. What we like. This balm quickly restores your leather's original color and texture. It's designed for various leather items, from furniture to accessories. If you like a fast-drying and versatile solution for restoring your leather goods, you should consider this. What people say. The black color blends perfectly and gives the leather a fresh, polished look. The stuff goes on easily and covers beautifully. I used the enclosed brush, put in on heavily, and then before a section dried I smoothed it out with the included sponge. Now in order to see any cat marks you have put your face right next to the area injured. From a normal distance, the sofa looks frankly new and the blending of the colors was great also. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.